Hello friends, day 59. So first thing this morning I came down off the Pentland Hills, and that was rather nice. And then I joined the Calderwood Park, which was a park running alongside a stream that meant I avoided all the built up area. And that led me to the Union Canal, and I'm just off the Union Canal tonight. Interesting canal because it looks really nice, but nobody seems to use it. I haven't seen any boats that look as if they're being used. So let's take a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. Coming down from the Pentland Hills, in the far distance I could see the Forth Road Bridge, and behind it the Forth Rail Bridge. This is the feeder that feeds water into the Union Canal. Good options for camping were fairly few and far between, and I certainly didn't fancy this one. Well, this is my room with not much of a view tonight, sandwiched between the railway and the canal, but it's better than the last one I looked at with the 3 cars.